Marhaba, welcome home. Here is the amazing view from your villa with your private pool. Please remember to keep the balcony door closed at all times to avoid any uninvited insects and to ensure the air conditioner functions properly. Here is the open air bathroom with an outdoor shower area. Here is the master switch for all the lights including the bathroom. Should you wish not to be disturbed, please use Do Not Disturb sign. Our air conditioning system is attached with a motion sensor and you may use this unit to control the temperature. Here is your minibar, complimentary tea, coffee and water which will be replenished upon use. Let me show you how to use the coffee machine. Please use the telephone to dial one call service for any assistance. Please ensure all your valuables are placed in the safety box and locked with the 4-digit password. This is your hair dryer, laundry service foam and laundry bag. Life vests are placed in case of emergency. Here is your wardrobe with hangers. These are the bedside switches and universal socket on both sides. DVD, TV, IPTV for your use. Press TV to view any of the channels. Back to go to the main menu. Smoking is prohibited inside the villas. You may use the ashtray for smoking outdoors. Please use these switches for the balcony lights. This is the emergency exit lane in case of tsunami or fire. Please follow the instructions for evacuation. Thank you for choosing Amari Havodda Maldives. Wish you a pleasant stay.